olden days, people used vinegar to clean things. Problem is that it was really smelly. Let me show you how good vinegar cleaner is. Have a look at this dirty coin here. I'm gonna put the dirty coin into the jar. Then I'm gonna put some salt on top of the coin. Voila! I'm gonna put all in the vinegar. Ouch. Then I'm gonna screw the lid on the jar. I'm going to swirl around a little bit. And then I'm gonna just leave it for a few minutes. Whoop! Right. We're going to take the lid off and pour it in. Look how clean it is. The vinegar made our coin nice and shiny, but smelly.